Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. We can see the where will be the major forex will work. Okay guys, this is the pair of euro versus US dollar. You can see that exactly it's taking resistance from here only. So what we can see here, if it once again takes support somewhere here, then our first target will be somewhere here guys. Okay guys, our second target will be here, our third target, fourth and fifth and sixth. Okay guys, these are the target for upside momentum, and always that you can see here, if it will make the blue pattern, then only if it will cross. Okay guys, then only go. If it make the blue pattern and then only this line will be crossed, then only go for upside momentum. Otherwise you can go for price action. I have also uploaded that video too guys. You can go and check out in the link in the description. Okay guys, if it will came downside guys, what happened is that if it will take resistance somewhere here, our first target will be here guys, second target guys, this will be the third, fourth target guys. These are the four target for euro versus USD in downside guys. We can check out the next GBP versus US dollar guys. You can see here exactly what I have told you up till here, but the session has been closed, so it is here only closed. So what we can see here is that it will act as a little bit as a supporting area, because that buyer has been came. You can see that two candle buyer has been came here. So if it wants to go downside, then how it has to behave, it has to behave like that. It take resistance somewhere here only. Okay guys, here also you have to see that it's a range. Then our first target guys, second, third target will be here guys, fourth target guys. Okay guys, you have to see that guys, it has to take a resistance. Okay guys, otherwise it has to cross this level guys. Okay guys, then only you can go for short. Otherwise in upside momentum guys, right now it's taking a very nice support. So if once again it will take support, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target, our third target will be here, and fourth target guys. Okay guys, I will just mark it up when you have to take trade after this breakout. Okay guys, if you are aggressive trader, it will make W pattern or somewhere here only price action. You can see my video also I have made there only made, then you can buy it also. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair is euro versus GBP guys. Euro versus GBP, you can see that how nicely it's taken resistance exactly from here only. I have told you it will act as a resistance. After this break it has to came downside. Okay guys, right now it hasn't came downside. So what we gonna see is that if it will came downside somewhere here, after that it will may reversible. Then our first target will be here guys, second, third, and our fourth target guys. Okay guys, if it continues in the rally, okay guys, you have to see that it's making a good price action or some pattern is showing to you. Okay guys, then only go for it. And you are a risky trader, then only buy here. Okay guys, because this is consolidation phase has been gone and this is making a bullishness. So right now I am seeing that it maybe goes a bigger momentum. Okay guys, euro versus GBP, you can also see in your target. Okay guys, also it in downside also we can see guys, if once again it came downside and take here somewhere resistance, our first target will be here guys, second target. If once again take, then our third target, fourth, and last fifth target guys. Okay guys, these are the downside target. We can see next USD versus Canadian dollar guys. You can see here very unexpected momentum, but what we have seen, this is the swing crossed. I have bought and I have my SL is very small. I have got very nice momentum here. Okay guys, I will just show you. This is the one of the major trend line guys. So I will not do anything somewhere here. I will just put it that thing is that I will just stretch it out. Okay guys, like this somewhere I am seeing like this only. Okay guys, just little bit, don't worry about it. Okay guys, right now it is in the best place, so it maybe came downside. Okay guys, it came downside, then our first target and second target. Okay guys, it will definitely gonna take here resistance, then our first target will be here guys, and second target. Okay guys, it continuously goes upside, and after here somewhere it taking resistance, making a wick, or first target, second target guys. Okay guys, we can see if it will came downside and take somewhere here only resistance, our first immediate target will be this guys, second immediate target will be this, third target, and our final and fourth target guys. Okay guys, in downside momentum, if it's taking somewhere here only resistance, goes as a upside momentum on it, taken as first, second target, after that it once again take resistance, or third, fourth, fifth target. Okay guys, if it gonna break guys, what happened, then that also we have to discuss. You can see that if it will going upside momentum, then it will break, then take support or not, it doesn't matter, because this will gonna boom. Okay guys, our first target, second target, third target, even you can go for bigger target guys. You can keep it in a watch list guys. This will be the biggest momentum has been coming in USD versus Canadian dollar, so keep eye on it guys, and also in a watch list you can kept it. Okay guys, we can see next USD versus CHF. You can see that exactly what I have told you. After that only it is taking a resistance, you can see here. So what we gonna do is that this will be act as a resistance for us, because I have told you up till here only it will come and reverse. You can see that exactly reversing right now. So if once again it has to came down, it will take resistance somewhere here or something. Our first target will be that, second target guys, our third target will be somewhere here, fourth target, and you can go for fifth target too. Okay guys, these are the some of the target. If upside momentum, we can see if it will cross, then our first target, second and third target you can go for. Okay guys, and also you can see here it will be making a very nice pattern right now, and it will be act as a supporting area somewhere here. So I will just do is that I will make it like this, so you can probably see that this will act as a one of the major supporting areas. So you can see here it may be consolidate whole week also, so you have to keep eye on it. If break upside, go for upside momentum. If it will came downside, you have to book here only, or if you have confidence, then you can take your all the 5 target. Okay guys, we can see next forex pair is AUD versus US dollar. Okay guys, in AUD versus US dollar, you can see here how big is rally has been going on. Okay guys, I will just shift it somewhere here only. Okay guys, so we can get proper thing. Okay guys, right now we have seen this thing. Okay guys, so we have to see that guys, right now it is acting as a supporting area. Okay guys, acting as, not become a supporting area right now, but it acting as a supporting area. So what we gonna do is that right now is that because of this will act as support, because closing is strong, because 2 candle is green. So what we gonna see, if once again it will touches, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, second immediate target guys, our third immediate target, our fourth and last and fifth target guys. Okay guys, we can also see in downside target guys, if once again take resistance somewhere here, our first target, second target and third and final target. Okay guys, it may be reversible from here only, because this is the one of the strongest zone for its supporting area. Okay guys, you have to see here only. Okay guys, it may be goes upside momentum, but probability is very high it will goes downside only. So you can check out. Just a second, we can see what happening is right now. It is showing us very heavy fall. You can see here heavy fall is coming around, so up till here we can expect it may become. Okay guys, so we have discussed both the direction in upside and downside too guys. So you can also check out my analysis, weekly analysis also guys. There I have told you so many small points how you gonna trade and what is the logic behind it. So please check out that too guys. In NSD versus US dollar, you can see here guys, in New Zealand dollar versus what happened. I have taken here also position, I have told you, but my SL is triggered. After that here this is, I have seen this is the pattern. After this is the breakout, I have buyed and my SL will be this top. You can see that how nicely it came downside. Okay guys, I will just see the in downside also what it may be came up till. Okay guys, right now it will act as a supporting area because of this week. Okay guys, this week, because of this week it may be act as a supporting area. Okay guys, so right now what we gonna do is that we can see the upside momentum. If it will came our first, second, okay guys, third target, and even you can go for your fourth target too. Okay guys, this will act as a resistance only. This trend line you can stretch it down so you can get it in downside target. Also we can see that if once again came downside and take a resistance somewhere here, exactly it is taking resistance, but still our first target will be here guys, second target, our third, fourth and fifth final target. Okay guys, our fifth target, it may be reached or not, I don't know, but fourth target up till we can see it. You can keep this also in watch list guys. Okay guys, this also in euro versus Japanese yen, I have told you exactly from there only it taken resistance, so we can mark it as a resistance area. Okay guys, this will act as a resistance area. And also I am saying is this is the very strong area where buyer are trying to take it upside momentum. But what I am saying is that it may be consolidated this week also, but maybe it maybe gives us small target also. If it will came downside and take somewhere here only resistance, then our first target will be somewhere here guys, our second target, okay guys, our third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see this is the one of the major trend line I am seeing here. So it may be break or not break, it's up to you. If this will break, then you can expect that it may be gives us very big target guys. Okay, if take a resistance broke, our first target will be somewhere here, second target, if once again price action made, third, fourth and fifth target guys. Okay guys, you can get it. So we can move on the AUD versus CHF guys. In AUD versus CHF also I have told you, and exactly we have got all the trades, and this will act as a resistance right now for us. And also here also it will act as a resistance only. So what we gonna do is that it will act as a resistance once again. So it may be act as here also act as resistance. So I will just shift it here. So what you have to do is that you have to see that if it will take somewhere here only resistance, then our first target will be here guys, second target, our third, fourth and fifth target guys. You can even go for sixth target too, but this is very huge target, but it may be reach. Okay guys, you can also keep eye on it if it will make upside momentum guys. What you have to do is that you don't have to take somewhere here trade. If it will break and take here somewhere support, then only go for your first target, second target, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, so this is for AUD versus CHF. We can see for GBP versus Japanese yen, exactly I have told you here only it may be reverse, exactly here only reversible. After that it will acting as a resistance right now. So I will just shift it here. Okay guys, so right now we are seeing is that what it acting as a resistance. Okay guys, I will not do anything, just I will shift it. So we gonna get our first, second, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, in upside also if it will act as a supporting area, then only you can see here or take support, then our first target, second, third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, these are the big momentum has been coming, so you can take it. Euro versus US dollar. Okay guys, so we have seen that Euro versus US dollar also guys. So hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. You can see my all the videos, there are so much learning things are there. I have told you in smaller analysis, weekly analysis. Go and check out guys, you definitely become a successful trader if you watch my video only. I don't sell any course or something guys, because I know that your hard-earned money is so much value for you. So please keep yourself only, learn from my videos only, not from my videos I am forcing you, but if you watch thoroughly also, then also you know that how to trade and how the psychology of trader. So if you like this video guys, share and like my this video guys. Thank you guys.